Hello everyone, we are FRC 8725. This year, we traveled to Hawaii to participate in the FRC competition. And not long ago, we learned about the serious wildfire situation that occurred there. During our time in Hawaii, we formed connections with many friendly locals and developed a deep affection for the environment and the culture of this place. Therefore, upon hearing about this disaster, we feel profound sadness and regret. Through this video, we hope to convey our concerns and make more people aware of this event, while also offering our assistance to the best of our abilities.
On August 8, a fierce wildfire swept through Mauna Loa Island in Hawaii, instantly engulfing the precious culture and people of the area. As of August 14, the Hawaii wildfire had caused extensive damage, consuming over 17,000 acres of land with an estimated rebuilding cost of $6 billion. Over 100 lives have been lost, and more than 1,300 individuals are still missing, while over 11,000 people have been displaced, and this number continues to rise. This disaster is considered the most severe natural calamity in Hawaii history, surpassing even the 2018 California wildfires that claimed 85 lives. Although the current fire situation is under control, efforts are still underway to extinguish the remaining flames and address the crisis in certain areas.
We kindly ask that you share this video with others, spreading awareness about the gravity of this event. Should you require further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to our email address, and we will do our utmost to aid you. Lastly, we hope that everyone can extend a helping hand within their capabilities and that Hawaii can overcome the wildfire crisis as soon as possible.